Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to install the Eternl extension on your Chrome browser. So we're going to do that with some recovery words on the Cardano pre-prod network, not the actual Cardano blockchain, but it all works pretty similar. So first, let's go search for Eternl, which is one of the wallets that is available. There are other good ones, but Eternl is one that I like and I've been using for a while. So we go here to the Chrome Web Store, Eternl link. You see here it has 61 ratings, 4.7. It's got 100,000 users. There's another couple of details here below just to make sure you've got the right one selected. You can add that to Chrome, and then this extension will download onto your browser. In this case Chrome. We see downloading and install, and if we give it just a moment, then it has finished installing and we can actually see it now in our browser. If we click here, we see under extensions Eternl. I'm going to pin it, make it nice and visible here in the browser. Alright, so here we have it. We can open it up. We just click on that little button and we will see now the Eternl screen, opening screen. You can create your own wallet or you can restore wallets. I'm going to restore one on the pre-prod network, so this is exactly the same process as you would have for mainnet, where you would have ADA, but I'm going to do some testing. So I'm going to use the Cardano production testnet. And once I have that selected within Eternl, you can see I'm now connected to the pre-prod network, not the Cardano mainnet. So I'm now going to restore one because I know I already put some test ADA in it. So these are 24 words and you can type along with me if you want. The only reason I'm showing you these 24 words is because there's only test ADA in this, which means that its value is 0. You should of course never share your 24-word recovery phrase with anybody else. In this case it doesn't matter. I'll call out the words one by one so you can type along with me if you so choose. Number 1 is file. Number 2 is clip. Number 3 is food. Number 4 is scene. Number 5 is ignore. Number 6 is final. Number 7 is gravity. Number 8 is correct. Number 9 is ability. Number 10 is family. Number 11 is gossip. Number 12 is about. Number 13 is equip. Number 14 is tooth. 15 is work. 16 is figure. 17 is juice. 18 is cotton. 19 is supply. 20 is foot. 21 is light. 22 is drift. 23 is ski. And 24 is farm. And then we see that it has succeeded. It just gives a little notification about staying secure. And with password managers, always good to take that of note, but in this case it doesn't really matter as it's just Cardano pre-prod. Give this a wallet name. I'll do it as my testing ADA timestamp. I'm going to give myself a little password reminder. I'm going to use my own name times 4 in case I ever forget. But you can do, of course, things that are only memory jogs. So that's max, 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 max. Everybody can hack this. Max, 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 max. There we go. Here we are. It should save this now. Yeah. Okay, and here we see we have 9,983 test ADA with some change. So that has worked for this portion of the video. I hope that was useful. I'm going to continue now on to use this actual test ADA with the decentralized application I've opened, which is ADA timestamp. In order to do that, we click click here on the connect. So this will actually connect the extension to whatever web page I'm using once I've granted permission. So now that we've done that, we're ready, we're on pre-prod, we're connected, we've got a wallet, it's got some test data in it. Now we go to the moment I was creating, everything's looking fine. We head on over to create, as I filled in all my data that I wanted. Scroll through these terms and conditions, which you should always read. And we head straight to the buy interface with nmaker API. We have our wallet selected, Eternl. This /cc was its old name, so it's just the same thing, but that's what we want. So we're going to connect it now, and it's going to ask us, do you want to connect with this decentralized application with your wallet? You see, so this is from the extension. It's asking us, do we want to connect here? Yes, we do. So I press grant access. Now we have to just prove that I'm human. What does it want me to do? Click on entities resembling this silhouette. That looks suspiciously like a cat. Oops, I missed a cat there. Hopefully we'll still get verified. Yes, we did. Very good. Then I can go on to the buy. And I remember my password very well because it's quite simple, and I have a little memory jog here. And I sign it, and then we go into the purchasing phase. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope that was useful. We'll just wait for it to process. Just remember that for Cardano pre-prod on the testnet, it doesn't really matter that you guys are seeing these 24 words. By the time you're looking at this, that test data might already be gone because other people are also using the wallet, perhaps just like you are. Yeah, make sure to always keep those secure, because that's a good lesson to learn, that these 24 words are basically all the credit card details that you have, right? Or your address, your social security number, whatever it is, in whatever country you live, that details you want to keep secret. These 24 words, you actually always have to protect very securely, because once someone gains access to these 24 words, following exactly the steps that we just did, anybody can access the funds and assets that are on top of that. Okay, so we completed the purchase of the ADA timestamp moment. So now we've successfully added something to the ADA timestamp timeline. And we should also be able to see this in our wallet, because that's a unique attribute here, is when you post something, those posts actually come back to you. They come back into your wallet. And here we see it. It has entered our token collection over here, our ADA timestamp. And if we now go to the timeline, we can refresh it and it should show up there. All right, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, just comment down below.